Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your Hostinger plan. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on Websites. Click on Dashboard next to your website. Now, under Hosting, click on Upgrade. As you can see, this is my current plan, and this is the other plans I can change to. My current one is premium. I can change to business or cloud. After selecting one of these hosting plans, you can complete your change by paying for the other plan. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.